This a couple of days at anniversary, we're releasing the first game on our platform, Treasure Hunt. So it will be released. It will be completed by midnight tonight. So at this time, is I'm going to demo this game on our demo system. I'm going to show you on the demo system so that you get a hand of it, like introduction.
Are you
what the yeah, there is a delay always.
okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so basically I'll just show you a little bit the in terms of the flow, and later on when we completed the upgrade on our platform, you will see this new button, Hunt to Earn, and at this map page, and then click on that, you will be launching the game and go into this hunt game. So let me just go quickly. Let's see. Okay. So when you click, you need to log in first, of course. Log into the system. Once you log into the system, you will see that new button, Hunt to Earn. You click on it, it will launch the game engine. And the game engine will take a little time, depends on your network bandwidth. So yeah, so it just if your network is a bit slow, just a little bit patient, and then we should be okay. So it will ask you whether you want to participate in the game. Let me bring this to this full screen, easier to look at it. And then there are 5 locations you can actually drop by, and then to look for NPC. The game logic is very simple, straightforward. It's nothing complex. The main idea of introducing this game is to allow our users, our partners, or any potential artists, the developers out there, look at our system. Because this game is built on top of our SDK based on our platform. So they will see, oh, this is, you can actually build something on your platform like this, which has an Earth-based, because treasure hunt is for sure is very natural for Earth-based. But then we're talking about lots of other things, right? Like travel, education, history, and then even fashion, or they were talking about. Of course, real estate, those things are all global, right? And you can just drop to one place. Let's say I go to South Africa, and then you will launch the 3D scenes in that location. And the avatar, as you know, is from Ready Player, and then you drop in here. As you can see, we actually load up some of our images and our logo. And we have the features like that: upload 3D model, upload 2D images, and you can upload your the 2D images to your land or to your property. And if you're a business owner, you can definitely use that as a way to publicize or market, right? Oh yeah, exposure, right? Market, market your own. If you're like say shop, right, or brand name carrier, and you can actually market your own things in this metaverse. So first, once you drop in here, you need to look for the NPC Wiseman, and you can walk around, and there's a help that shows you how to navigate with your keyboard and mouse. So I'm just gonna walk, or I can run, or I can fly. I can even bring in the car here on the left second bottom here. There's you can bring a bunch of cars you can drive, or you can fly. Click on the F, and then there's a drone. You can start flying. There is a little arrow here, shows okay. That's looks like the
only landowner can fly, right?
no, actually, right now, initially, we allow everybody to use everything, and also the game is absolutely free for everyone to play right now. Right. It is a play to earn. It's free for you to earn actually, and what you're gonna earn is we'll show you later on how that works. So just continue to fly, and I will just quickly go to the places that where I can. Okay, so looks like
So it's showing there, right?
I see there is a little arrow, oh, see, if you see it clearly, there is one guy, wise man, standing right there. You need to have a good eyesight here. So I'm going to fly a little bit, and then I'm going to drop on the floor ground. I'm going to walk over to this wise man. And okay, I can run a little bit. Okay, so it asks you a question. The wise man asking you a question, you need to answer it correctly in order to get a key to the treasure box. And then you say, okay, I'm ready to answer the question. Yeah. Prompt a question, say, the question is usually is about geography, and about history, about environmental, lots of different questions. So you can pick one. Let's say the landmarks located, that's Grand Canyon. Okay, hopefully that's correct. Okay, it's correct. And then give you a key. After I give you the key, it will teleport. You have the option to teleport that place. It's saying, oh, over there is a potential treasure box in that location. Okay, you say, I want to teleport myself to there, and then so that I can search for the treasure box. Let's go see what's in there.
So if you don't answer the question, you won't get the key, right?
Correct. You need to answer the question. Yeah, it'll be it needs to be a little bit intelligence is there, right? Or at least train you to be a little bit.
How about
use the
how about
brain a little bit?
Is there like time limit? You only have 20 seconds or 60
No.
seconds?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, and you can just Google it.
Right.
Okay.
That's why it's a very simple game at the very beginning. We're not making very. We're not making it very tough.
Level 1, right?
This is to show how this platform works, what you can do with it.
Right.
Of course, we're building more utilities and then the functions so that you can have more stuff.
Right.
So I'm gonna usually.
But level 1, you only get paid, right? Earn, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, so as you walk or fly or even you drive, there is an indicator on top of here. On top here is saying what the distance you are away from the treasure box. Okay, yeah. So we're in Egypt, so it looks like lots of sand, desert. So I'm going to.
There's some green.
Go further.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see.
Yeah, we also have Green Earth Initiative, so
right.
Corporate can sponsor us to plant more trees on our Earth, right? So,
right.
Yeah.
Well,
if we
further down.
So that right.
Oh, hold on. That looks like a treasure box on the ground. See that one, little yellow one?
Right.
So I'm going to drop myself. Boom. All right, that looks like it. So I'm going to walk or run is a little faster. Hey, let's see.
There's a butterfly coming to get the key too.
Yeah. Okay, so once you get closer to this treasure box and ask you to use your key, since I have a bunch of keys, I say, okay, I'll use key to open it.
Just like that.
All right, yeah. So, whoa,
hey,
celebration. Yeah. So there's right now, yeah, right now we have two type of treasures: gold bar and silver bar, and then gold bar for sure is worth a little bit more, right? So and then silver bar is a little less in value. However, just it's random. Sometimes you get gold bar, sometimes you get silver bar. So the value is actually. Right now it's set. Where's that? Give me 1 second. Let's say I'll stop that one. There's a question mark. You can see the rules here. So the rules and then the value, how you convert the value, and it's all in here. Okay. I'll show you how to do the next part. How to convert it into tokens. How to cash it out if you make enough earning, if you find enough gold bars and silver bars. And we're going to introduce the more types of treasures, but right now, since it's just the beginning, we're just give a two for the more of like a samples. Okay, I close that one.
Maybe it's, before you cash out, you can take a look at our land. There's a lot of land to do. We'll just get some land.
Yes, definitely.
And then they use the token winning token. They might get some discounts, right?
Right, exactly. The actually the play to earn part is the player, once you find the gold or silver bars or treasures down the road, and then you can convert that into tokens, into value, real cash value. And then at the same time, I want to bring this. This is a very interesting, and it's a very good news for our landowners or for our future landowners. All these treasures, oh, actually, I would say probably 99% of the treasures are randomly distributed among the landowners. Or when I say distributed, it means they actually appear in the land that actually has landowners, right? That somebody own it. So basically, this treasure box, is found on a land that somebody has this land.
Good.
And then
Good stuff.
Yeah, so player makes money. For instance, if he makes $1, and then the platform will actually give 10% of that value to the landowners. Yes. Okay, so
The Lord of Treasure Box.
right, exactly. Let's see. One more thing. Let me show you. We also have a under the sea, right, under the water. So let's go to Dubai. Usually there are more water over there. So not just above the ground, you can actually find gold. This guy standing. Okay, so as you can see, there's the ocean, there's the water, and then we'll prompt you for, do you want to enter the water? And say yes, I want to get in there. So I will launch a water scene and under the ocean. So yeah, so this guy is dressing suit and tie and get in the water and try to find a treasure in here. So yeah, you will see sharks and everything there, and then over here you just walk around and you can run.
You can have a big seafood meal.
Right, and then you can swim a little bit too, and see, yeah, right, and then lots of fish and sharks. They won't eat you now yet, so there are no harm there.
You don't have gold yet.
Right. Down the road, we'll probably have the shark eat you, and then you will fight them. Okay, so that is another very beautiful undersea scene, and you can
pretty.
look for look for the treasure box. Let me show you a couple more things. Okay,
Not going too deep, right? Not like that Titanic thing.
no, definitely not. We want to be safe first. Oh, hold on.
You have time for a commercial?
Let me
Okay.
quickly show one thing. So let's say once you found some gold bar and silver bars, and you go to my treasure, you log in, you see, oh, here, all of my treasures here. I got 9 silver bars. I've got 4 gold bars. And over here, you can exchange that to MMVR. So MMVR is the token we're introducing to the market. It's a MyLand Metaverse system. We are going to have these tokens very soon. And so once you convert that to MMVR, there's a ratio. Actually, right now it's a fixed ratio. After you convert that, but then you wonder, hey, MMVR right now is not traded yet. It's not public traded. Where do I get that cash out, right? And then you can convert that to Matic. So we're going to our platform will pay you in Matic. MMVR to Matic, there's a ratio too. So at this time, you need to convert twice from your gold silver bar, your treasures, to MMVR, and then after you accumulate enough MMVR, you can convert that to Matic, and then you can transfer that Matic to your wallet, to your outside account.
That's cash. That's cash out.
Yes, that is cash out. Right. It's all crypto. As you know, MyLand Metaverse is a blockchain based Web3 project. So yeah, so everything is blockchain based, cryptocurrency, right? But actually, we allow people to buy things with credit card. But when we pay out, it will be crypto right now, primarily. Yeah. Okay. So let me show very quickly this KYC process.
Oh yeah. That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
As Josh earlier went through the PowerPoint about the tokenomics, so we're going through this tokenomics and then getting ready for the token launch, IDO or IEO. But before that, we still need to go through the KYC process, know your customer. So once the user log in, you need to register to the platform and come down here. There's a KYC button, and then it says, okay, we're using BlockPass as the partner, so we partner with them, and then all the information you submitted will go to the BlockPass KYC service. Nothing. We'll keep nothing. Our platform does not keep your like passport ID or your name and everything, so it's not coming to us. It's all go to BlockPass. So it will ask you passport, national ID, or driver license. You say, okay, let's start. You start entering your email and everything. So from this point, everything actually happens on BlockPass site. It's not on our site. So after you submit, we will check with BlockPass, and once you are verified, it might take they're saying it might take like very quickly, like a few hours to even weeks. So it's could be a lengthy process, but it can be very fast too. So that is our KYC process. We use a BlockPass to verify the users.
Okay. The investors.
Yes, the investors.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty much it for the Hunt2Earn game, and yeah, so welcome to the game, and tonight it should be released, and then everybody can go there and make something. Yeah,
Hunt2Earn.
Hunt2Earn, right?